You upload a selfie to see yourself in dreamy Ghibli-style art. Looks beautiful, right? But while you're busy admiring that soft glow and Studio Ghibli magic, your face is being stored, analyzed, maybe even sold. Let me show you the dark side of that Ghibli trend and what happens to your data. How AI trends work, the hidden data game. That AI filter, it's not magic, it's machine learning. It trains on thousands, sometimes millions of images. Your face becomes fuel for the next generation of deepfakes, biometric profiling, or worse, surveillance. These tools don't just process your image and forget it. Most keep your selfie for training, marketing, or even selling to third parties. And no, you won't find this in bold print, it's buried in the privacy policy. What happens after you upload? Most people think, I uploaded my image, got the result done. But here's the real process. Your photo is uploaded to a server, usually in another country. It may be stored temporarily or indefinitely. It could be used to train future AI models. And in some cases, shared with third parties. Yes, even advertisers or governments. Did you agree to that? Probably, without realizing it. The power behind the tech. Let's take a step back. If AI can transform your selfie into a Ghibli-style image, what else can it do with your face? Answer: create deepfakes that impersonate you. Enable identity fraud or voice cloning when combined with audio. Feed into facial recognition databases used for surveillance. In the wrong hands, your cute anime avatar becomes the gateway to full biometric profiling. The hidden clause you ignored. Let me guess, you didn't read the privacy policy. Don't worry, 99.99% of us don't. But some of these platforms openly mention, we may retain your content to improve services. Translation: your selfie equals AI training data. Some tools say they'll delete images after 24 hours. But can you actually verify that? Once it's uploaded, you lose control. Would you hand over your face to a stranger? Think of it this way. Would you give your face to a random person on the street and say, hey, store this, analyze it, maybe use it to train future bots? No? Well, that's basically what you're doing, just digitally. Real-life threats. What can go wrong? Imagine this. You're applying for a loan, but your biometric profile is already flagged. Or worse, your face is used in a deepfake to ruin your reputation. And you have no idea who has your data now, or where it's being used. Just one viral trend, and your identity is now a public dataset. So what's the safer alternative? Look, the Ghibli trend is gorgeous. We get it. But if you really want a beautiful portrait of yourself, why not support real artists? Someone who values your input, not just your data. No hidden servers, no AI scraping, no biometric tracking. How to stay safe? Avoid uploading personal photos to unknown AI tools. Always check privacy policies, even if it's boring. Use tools that run locally or let you opt out of data storage. Support real artists instead of giving your face to AI. Treat your selfie like your password, it's your identity. Cybersecurity isn't just about firewalls or antivirus anymore. It's about protecting your identity in a world where your data is worth more than money. Because in the age of AI, every click, every image, every scan is currency, and cute cartoon might just be the start of something much darker. Thank you for watching. Stay secure and follow for more cybersecurity updates.